Hi and welcome to 3-Minute Health. Today, we're diving into the exciting topic of blood health. We've got a list of 10 foods that can help cleanse your blood naturally. Your bloodstream is like a bustling highway, carrying nutrients and oxygen throughout your body. However, it's inevitable that some unwanted hitchhikers like toxins and waste products will get picked up along the way. That's where your amazing liver and kidneys come to the rescue. The liver acts as a filtration system, removing harmful substances and converting them into less harmful ones. Meanwhile, the kidneys are responsible for filtering your blood, removing waste, excess water, and minerals, ensuring that your blood remains clean and balanced. Our list of foods is in no particular order, and all nutritional information displayed is for a 100-gram portion, unless otherwise stated. Number 1. Spinach. Spinach is loaded with chlorophyll, a compound that helps detoxify your blood by binding to toxins and removing them from your system. Number 2. Blueberries. These little blue gems are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which can help neutralize harmful free radicals and promote a healthy circulatory system. Number 3. Garlic. A tasty addition to many dishes, garlic contains sulfur compounds that assist the liver in producing enzymes that detoxify harmful substances in your blood. Number 4. Broccoli. This veggie is packed with fiber and antioxidants, supporting both your liver and kidneys in their detoxification efforts. Number 5. Cranberries. Cranberries contain antioxidants called proanthocyanidins, which can help prevent the adhesion of harmful bacteria in your urinary tract. Number 6. Coffee. This is good news for coffee lovers. Studies suggest that moderate coffee consumption may be linked to a reduced risk of liver diseases like cirrhosis and liver cancer. Number 7. Apples. An apple a day keeps the toxins away. Pectin, found in apples, can help flush out heavy metals from your bloodstream and support your liver's detoxification process. Number 8. Fatty fish. Due to their high omega-3 content, fatty fish like salmon and mackerel can help lower inflammation and support heart health, indirectly aiding your blood cleansing process. Number 9. Grapefruit. This tangy fruit is an excellent source of vitamin C and antioxidants, which can help boost your immune system and support your liver's detoxifying enzymes. And number 10. Water. The simplest and most vital of them all. Drinking enough water to stay hydrated ensures your kidneys have enough fluid to efficiently filter your blood and flush out toxins. When you include these foods in your diet regularly, you're giving your liver and kidneys an extra boost. By taking care of your blood health, you're investing in a healthier and happier future. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with all our latest content.